The smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter Direct Cool Refrigerator. It features stylish design, stabilizer-free operation, Smart Connect inverter and big bottle guard. The softly curved, round-top shape, and unique grand bell door design add a sleek and stylish look to your kitchen. Its inbuilt stabilizer-free operation protects your refrigerator by preventing electrical damage or shorting from voltage fluctuations. The Smart Connect inverter enables the refrigerator to run on home inverters during power cuts. What you get is significant amount of energy savings, along with long-lasting freshness. Samsung found a new power source, solar energy. Samsung's range of Solar Connect refrigerators is powered by solar energy and runs on solar energy. It lets you save money while protecting the environment. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a 10-year warranty. Its big bottle guards on the door are ideal for the thirsty household. They provide easily accessible storage space for large bottles. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Direct Cool Refrigerator.